Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to blog words or phrases in contact form 7 using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using contact form 7. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write spam protect for contact form 7. So this is plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to contact form and refresh the page. Now you see multiple tab and then you see anti-spam setting and then you see put here word or phrases that you want to block. So you can add multiple words separated by comma. So this is format. So we are going to add some word. So we added text block form. Now you see. Now click on save. Now contact form saved. Go to contact form page and refresh the page. So now we are going to add some data. So we added some information. Now you see your name, email, subject, and then you see your message. Now you see text block form. So we added this text in anti-spam setting and then click on submit. Now you see message, we do not accept spam email. Back to plugin setting. Now you see, so you can add multiple words or phrases according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.